Hi, how are you? I hope all of you should be fine. In my last two videos, I showed you the Amazon Web Service introduction to Amazon Web Service, how you can make an account and try give a brief introduction of the main portal, and the same I did for Google. So now I thought I should I should do the same for Microsoft as well. So if you want to use Microsoft, then Azure is the name of Microsoft Cloud Platform. So let's see that how we can open an account. If you want to open a free account on Azure, how we can open this account. So here we can read that if you open an account with Azure, you get 12 months of free service, and you get some always free services as well, and you get a $200 credit for only first 1 month. So let's see how the account is opened. So first I will show you the process of opening a new account. Just remember that if you want to open an account on Azure, you must have a Microsoft email ID. This account should not work without a Microsoft email ID. So I have some Microsoft partner email IDs. I will use one of them. So let me open this. I will just show you the process only. I mean, this is just to show you the process that if you have a Microsoft email ID like this email ID, this is basically Microsoft Office. It's a partner project email ID for the school of my child. So I am just using it just to show you because I have already made it. But so if you came to open your account, these are the things which are already written there, the 12-month free access, $200 credit, and this some free products you will get. So you have to provide your country and region. This should not change. Once you provide any country here, you should remain in that region. You should provide your name. Now here you can provide any email address. This email address should be used for your communication between you and Microsoft for here they will send you some information and Azure privacy statements and these kind of things. So you can provide any email address here, but to log in or to make a cloud account, you have to have a Microsoft email address. So you can provide a different address as well, but you need a Microsoft access to log in the first place. And you have to provide a phone number here. I will not go in very detail because it will take a lot of time as well. But you need to verify your phone in this setup, the next setup. This setup will not go further until I do not put everything. And this is step by step. I mean, you will do the first step, you will put next, then you will come in the second step. You will have to verify your phone number. You can get it by SMS or by a phone call. A call will come to your phone and you will just have to respond with a hash. Once your phone is verified, then you have to verify your credit card or your debit card. So once the card is verified, there you should come on this part. This is the agreement, a normal agreement that I agree to the terms and services. So we assume that you agree to everything and then you make an account. So once you make an account, then you need to use this portal for Azure, portal.azure.com. So the first address was for sign up. So for sign up, you need to go through azure.microsoft.com, and once you have signed and then you want to log in, then you have to use portal.microsoft.com. So this email ID of mine is registered. So I have put two-factor authentication just to keep my account secure. So I will generally, if you are following me, in my other videos as well, like I give some explanation of cloud networks. So I told in that security is very important thing. So you have to try everything that you can to be secure. So this two-step verification is also a very good level of security. So okay, this is the main portal. The main portal is not the dashboard. So you can make your dashboard as per your requirements. You can make multiple dashboards. Microsoft gives you many dashboards to make. Let's just explore this. This is the main portal. So the main portal is also okay. It looks fine because from here you can check some services. If you want to start some service, like you want to start some virtual machine, or you want to launch some app, you can go from here. If you want to check your subscription, whatever you have subscribed to your resource group, which resource group you are part of, you want to check all resources, how much resources you have already working, and if you want to see different dashboards, so you can go to a lot of places. You want to check your that how much you have been paying, or you have to pay. You can optimize your dollar sign from here. So this is you can say a place from where you can go to many places. If we see the upper menu, this is the normal Microsoft menu, which you have even in Hotmail or in other services as well in Office 365. From here you can just add some more email IDs, or you can go to in your Microsoft account. This is for feedback if you want to provide any feedback to Microsoft. This is for help if you want any help or support. So this is the feedback. You can provide a feedback. This is settings. If you want to set the colors or the theme of this portal, then you can check and you can change from here. If you want to change the language, for example, you are not familiar with English, or you are not better in English, you want some other language, then you can change your language from here. These are notifications. Microsoft is telling me that I have not used any of my credit up till now. These are your subscription that we were just watching here. If you have any subscription, then you can check your subscriptions from here. This is the Cloud Shell. If you are good with the CLI, then you can open the Cloud Shell, and then from the Cloud Shell you can do whatever you like. We will go in detail of these things later, not right now. So this is if you want to search, for example, like virtual machine or virtual networks or virtual machine scale sets, virtual network gateways, virtual cluster, virtual WAN, virtual images. So everything, if you are not able to find something, you can just type and then you can go directly. From here you will reach back to this home page, and this is you can say a drop down menu from where you can see some of the things. Your favorite services are listed here, and you can go to the dashboard, you can go to the home. We are already in home. You can go to all services, then all services will open. So we have seen that this is the Microsoft portal main page, which is quite fine. And let's see the dashboard. So this is a dashboard. So the good thing is that you can open multiple dashboards, and then you can, if you put, for example, just I will show you, like this dashboard, my dashboard, I can add more things here. Right now, because I don't have anything open, I don't have any open virtual machine or anything, because if you want to put some matrix here, then that matrix has to be connected to something. Like for example, if I open this matrix, because I don't have anything open, so I cannot put anything, I cannot show anything on this matrix. So I need to provide that what should be populated here. So, but for example, if you want, I just show you that this uh, dashboard is customizable. You can add a lot of things from here, which will be running on that desktop, so that when you are on that specific desktop, then you can do the things that you need to do. For example, if I put this all resources, then all of my resources which I have been using, they will be shown on this dashboard. So let me go back. Okay, this is my dashboard 2. If I want to add something in this dashboard, I can add from here. This is my dashboard 1. This is the initial dashboard which Microsoft make for everyone. I mean, you have some quick starts, you have some a link to Azure, however you want to start, and then if you have any resources open, then your resources can be, you can see which resources you have already opened. So let's go in the services. What services Microsoft is offering? So when we go in services, there are some featured services like virtual machines, app services, storage accounts, SQL database, Azure database, Kubernetes services, cost management, security. So these services are here. But this is the full list of services like compute service, networking, storage, web, mobile, container analytics, blockchain, AI, Internet of Things, mixed reality, integration, identity, security, DevOps, migrate, monitor, management, governance, Intune, and others. So we can see from here that we have a view of all services. We have some different database dashboards that are customizable. So I hope this very small and very brief introduction of Microsoft Azure should be fruitful for you. I will try to make a video in which I will try to give a comparison of Microsoft and Amazon and Google. That okay, how is Microsoft, how is Amazon, and how is Google? And for these services, I will make different videos where I will show you each of these services, that how they work and what is good in these services. So I hope you will like this video. Briefly in this video, we check 3 things: how to set up a new account on Microsoft Azure, then what is the main portal, how does it look like, how you can access different services, and how you can make different dashboards. So one thing that I'm interested in watching is the cost management, that how they show me the cost. So it's showing me that I have used this much and this much is available. So it means Now it's giving me an option as well that your free credit will expire. So if you want to keep going, then you should upgrade towards something where you will need to pay. So let's not go in this detail. So let's meet in some other video where I will give you more detail of Microsoft and other cloud services. So goodbye till then. Bye bye.